Let's go to the noise. Or just smack Peppino a bunch of times. Several hundred. Okay, stop! Don't do it. Stop!
Play the game!
There we go. Now we're playing as the noise. Off to floor 3. What are you doing? Go to floor 3. Floor 3? You just taunted. And now you're dancing. Okay, we're at floor 3. His head just popped. And we're off to wherever level is the first one that we're gonna pick.
We don't play for levels in all the world here.
Wait, there's golf. I want to do golf. Golf, please. No! I did not want to do this level today, but I guess here we are. Oh my god, why is the noise a fish?
That is rocket power.
The noise is literally just... Oh my god, he just bounces.
Boing! Why does he just chomp on it?
Why does he look like a Swedish fish? Rocket! Oh my god, he's screaming. He's at the space pizza. You got the topping.
Boing,
Why is he
boing,
literally
boing.
eating the rocket and then looking like a
Boing.
Swedish fish at the end? Oh my god. Oh my god, dude! There we go. Get to the rocket. Yes! Warning! You just fell to your death into a cheese planet. You got all the topping. Oh my god.
Why does the noise just bounce off?
I don't know. You nearly lost your combo, but you got it back. Like after like last second combo. Rocket! Warning! Oh my god, you're right at the exit with a minute left to spare. And you gotta be bad. Do better! Make me a burger again. Burger. That's not a burger. Let's golf! Let's go golf! Let's golf! Primo Bird! You just immediately got a Primo Bird. I don't know what you did to get the Primo Bird. Primo Bird again! Oh my god, there's those burgers. I don't know what those do. Oh my god, he's boxing.
Why is he boxing the thing he's supposed to be golfing?
Primo Bird! Stop dancing. We've got some work to do. Oh, it's the candy cane course.
It's not a candy cane.
Yeah, I know it's not. I just said that because of the door. It looked like a candy cane. Oh my god, it is right below it. Primo Bird! Okay, so we went to get a Mountain Dew because we were thirsty. Yeah, that's. I was just about to say that. Okay. Oh my god. Stop getting to anywhere where Brand can't reach the goal. Oh, get the burger out. Primo Bird! Off to the soda course.
We will already have a soda course paid.
Really?
Yes.
No, it said the fry course, and then there's the burger course.
No, we were just at the soda course.
Oh. Okay, I forgot. Okay. Yeet.
Psych. This is the way you get. This is the way you get the topping.
Okay. And you got a tomato. Mini putt. He's just dancing. Okay, here we go at the final course. Let's do this. You just killed that burger. Get out! Get out! You go to the top and let's go!
We have so much time.
They're so generous at the time in golf, like Lily, dude. The noise, they're so generous to the noise. They give you 4 minutes and 20 seconds, literally, dude. Oh my god, the noise is a donut.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go. Oh my god, you just hit a wall. Did you just super jump on the wall? Taunting gives you points? I prefer an S or a P, but that's acceptable.
Yeah, well,
I finally said it correctly! Now all that's left is barrel and hack. Okay, I think that one's meant to be Fast Food Saloon, and
that's not Fast Food Saloon!
They what? Crust Cove, and that one, no Forest. Crust Cove, and there's a heroic noise that I'm pretty sure just got motion blurred because I didn't have enough time to show the picture. Oh my god, it's a treasure. Kill him! You got a +1 combo. What's going on? Why was he blue? Oh, by the way, I really want you to select a different outfit, like, for the next level, because I honestly really like the banana one.
Yeah,
Or you could do something else.
yeah, I'm choosing on doing that.
Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! He's like, ah, get me out of this thing! Ah! He slipped on a banana. Oh my god!
Why does he just have a random skateboard?
I don't know.
Why did I basically just run into that?
Oh god, it's pizza time! Oh my god, it's a guy! Fire in the hole! Okay, I couldn't record him beating the level because my sister bonked me on the head!
I barely tapped.
Okay, no, you probably don't.
Yeah, I need 100. I mean 200.
Okay, why don't you just choose a level from floor 2 you haven't played yet? Like Fast Food Saloon, that one.
We'll have the doors.
Okay. Oh my god. Ow! Oh my god! Stop shooting him!
How?
Yes. Okay, this video is probably like kind of short compared to the last one we did with this. How come you beat like every single level first try? Or like nearly every single level first try. Okay, so apparently if you lose the race as the noise, if you're the noise, you could just kill the horse and then you get your topping back.
Can't do that if you're Pepino, though.
Yeah, that's sad. You can't do that. So you have to reset in order to get all the toppings with the P rank.
Ow!
Oh! You got the topping. Hooray! I think I see Pillage John over there.
Pow!
Yup! It's pizza time! Once you've beaten the level, You can revisit it to find a Lab 2 portal near the entrance. These will give you a point bonus, but also force you to loop around the save portion one more time. The noise versus the doys. You got him. Face down. Okay, he died, so he had to restart. Okay, but now he's back to where he was.
How?
Oh my God. Doys! Doys, stop! Oh, one more hit and he's dead. Oh my God, one more hit. Yes!
Bonk.
Get him! Get him!
Bye-bye.
Patino just killed him!
I have a little secret to show you.
Why is he still alive in the portrait? Even though, look at this. He's dead! Patino really just killed him.
Permanently dead unless if you turn 3 times before going back in.
Okay, that's literally like the easiest P rank in Pizza Tower that you could ever get. Literally, look. Yes! P rank! Why is it so hard?
Bye.
He just fell! Okay, so I think that's the floor that we stopped. That we were supposed to stop. So I guess we'll see you in the next part. Bye-bye!